Window. Ready?
Yeah. Empty.
Sit down. Make sure you sit down.
Empty.
Now stay in the doorway. Good, commit.
Push.
Commit. Go now. Go now. No text. Go right. Right side of CBD, the whole way. Anyway, you go out to your right. Do that! Open up! Start going!
Behind that obstacle. He's down.
Back the corner! Wait.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, I know. Oh, you're confirmed. Bye. Did I get you for 5?
Huh?
Did I hit you for 5?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, so now I'm on Yorkie?
No, you're dead. You're off the field.
God.
Yep. Coming up. I'll confirm him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Goodbye. Have you seen any movement? No bands coming through, no bands. Keep going. He's down.
I think that's all of them.
Have you guys seen any bands running around?
I'll give you a
Or did we get them all?
Yeah.
Field?
I think that's it. What the fuck is mine?
You want that? Lap around.
Field sweep! Alright, no field sweep. Crossing, sorry! Keep moving. Going out.
I thought he was.
You get him? Up, res me!
His bands.
Thank you, sir. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Goodbye. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adios.
Ready?
Yep.
Right there.
We got our team on the roll. Our team's on the wall, pushing adjacent up to farmhouse. We have both walls of the field. No bands coming up, no bands coming up. Clear? Farmhouse looks clear. Or across here. You're good, you're good. No bands? No bands? Howdy. Clear. No bands. No bands, no bands. No bands. No bands coming through, no bands going back into CQB. Making sure we don't got any tails. No movement. One friendly in front. Looks clear to me. I think we're good. You seen anyone? I think we're good. Woo!